Hi friends, it's Vesna here. Thanks for stopping by my channel. Welcome if you're brand new, and thank you for coming back if you're returning. For today's video, I am participating in a challenge hosted by two lovely channels. Deco Easy is the first one. Deco Easy is run by two ladies, and they are super creative. You can see tons of really neat DIYs, vignettes, and decor items on their channel. And then the other one is by Gingerchickrehab, and on her channel she does a lot of thrift flips, look for less, very farmhouse, and she does amazing furniture flips. So make sure you check out both channels. I'll have them linked in the playlist below, and make sure you check out the playlist as well. For my video, I chose, for the challenge, we were supposed to take a secondhand or a thrifted item and flip it into a farmhouse decor item with a farm animal. So here's what I've done. For today's video, I am going to be flipping this tray. Now, this tray, I believe, even though it's gross, I believe I still bought it. It was years ago. So I bought it at, not I believe, I know I bought it years ago at a garage sale, knowing that one day I'd want to do something with it. And I paid, this is where I believe, it was 50 or 25 cents. It was really cheap, so I thought, well, it's metal, it can be painted, and I can definitely use it for something. So it does have this design on it, but I'm going to be painting it, and I will be covering this up, so, because I'm not particularly fond of these tulips. Not that they're bad, but it's not what I'm going for. Now, before I painted it, I did clean it off with just a paper towel and some rubbing alcohol, just to get any grease or anything off. I'm going to be painting it with this Rust-Oleum. Now, I'm hoping that I have enough, because it's kind of empty, but if I don't have enough of this, I have the Rust-Oleum chalked, but I like the way this covers better. So here it is with just one coat. I will be doing a second or third coat depending on how much I need. Some of the rust is showing through, so it definitely needs more. Also the gold handles are showing through as well, so one or two more coats. So here's what the tray looks like with two coats of paint, and I just added one light coat on the back. But here you can see there's like little spots still that are imperfect, but that's okay, because I went ahead and I printed this image. I just want to make sure you guys can see it, and I'm going to be adding it to the tray, and then I will be antiquing the tray, so it doesn't matter if it's imperfect. And there we go. And I just found this image on Pinterest. I was just looking for farmhouse images. So this is what I want. So I'm just going to go ahead and use some Mod Podge. I said it right this time. Usually I call it Mod Podge. So I'm going to attach it. Actually, I'm going to put it over the whole tray just as a protection mechanism too, just to protect the tray a little bit. Now I was using this Mod Podge for something glittery before, and now I have glitter everywhere, which is not great. I don't even know how it got into it, but probably didn't move the glitter out of my workspace. But I am now redoing my craft room, so hopefully this will solve some of my issues that I've been having. I painted it, I moved everything around, now I'm just putting it back together, so I'm still using my little kitchenette here to do some of my crafts and DIYs. Alright, I'm just gonna kind of get it in the center as best as I can. And I'm going to apply more of the Mod Podge, hopefully without the glitter. You won't really be able to see it once I antique it, because the antiquing will take that over. But here it is, and we're just going to let this set for a few hours before I age this or antique this. So here's the tray. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my Annie Sloan dark wax to just antique it a little bit. And again, with the wax, you can put as much or as little as you want. You do have to wipe it off just to get some of the excess off. And this is the first time I'm actually using it on metal, I think. I can actually remember. Now, I did not apply clear wax beforehand, purposely because I wanted the tray to get stained. I wanted it to look old and kind of like it's been around, because this is such an old dairy farm sign, so I thought that would kind of be fitting. So I'm just adding a little bit more to the handle here. And then I'm going to go ahead and wipe some of it off. There we go. A little bit more here. And there we go. Love it. I think it turned out great. Oops, a little bit more here. I do that all the time. There we go. I love it. Really simple. Think it turned out great. If you liked it, give me a big thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure you hit that notification bell so you can get notified of more of my videos. And make sure you check out the playlist and check out Gingerchickrehab as well as Deco Easy. You'll be inspired with this playlist, I guarantee. Thanks for stopping by. Have an excellent day and stay safe.